Hey y'all, it's me, your boy, Makaya the Media and Kinda Master Fan 2KA, also known as Mac the Media Collector and Kinda Master Fan 2KA. Today I'm going to be doing a song battle on Thomas and Friends X Friday Night Funkin mod in Big Engine Brawl, the Flying Kipper mod. Now let's get this mod started. Don't mind my hands.
3, 2, 1, go!
Well, that's a wrap. Alright, y'all. This is me, your boy, Makaya the Media Collector and Kinda Master Fan, signing out. And comment down below then what you think of the battle. Anyways, this is me, signing out. Catch you on the flip side. Bye!